Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Do you like fruits? Do you like? You like apple, banana, mango. Next, guava. Already I explained now. Already I explained fruits. Yes. Grapes. Do you know which fruits are citrus fruits? Means sour. When you are eat the fruits, you can say like that. Which fruits do you know? Orange, grapes. Still, sometimes apples also sour. Yes. Do you eat like that apples? Don't eat. Next time you can observe. Okay? Grapes, very sour. Sometimes very sour. Sometimes very sweet also. Okay? Two colors are there. Green and violet color. Grapes. Do you see animals? Which animals? Cow, buffalo, goat, hen, dog, cat. These are our surrounding areas we observe. Yes, we observe these are animals. Some animals we can't see. Those live in forest only. Yes. Do you know cunning animal? Do you know what is the meaning of cunning? You don't know. Cunning means cheating to others. Which animal cheating to others? Do you see cartoon channels? Oh, some of members they can observe. Yes? Okay. Now you understood which animal is a cheating to others. Tell me. Fox. Yes? Fox is a cunning animal. The fox is cheating to others. Okay? Today our lesson name is The Fox and Grapes. This is the first lesson in our term 1. Okay? The fox. Fox and the grapes. Grapes. Okay? Fox fox and the grapes grapes. The fox and grapes. I'll say story. Okay? One day, fox going for a walk. Fox is going for a walk more time. Then fox is get hungry. Fox is get hungry. Then hungry means fox observe to their surrounding area. Anything nothing. But they observe one garden. In the garden full of grapes only. Bunches of grapes. Look at the picture. This is the bunches of grapes. Means more grapes are there. Fox thought is more grapes are there. I think yummy grape. Yeah? I think these are yummy grapes. Yummy means very sweet. If anyone said sweet means in our mouth water will come. Water will come. That is slurp. What? Slurp. S-L-U-R-P. S-L-U-R-P. Slurp. Okay? Slurp. If any sweet or cake we are eating means in our mouth water will come. That is slurp. Okay? Yummy grapes. I think these grapes are very sweet. Fox thought like that. The fox jumps and tries to reach the grapes. All fox is jumping. If grapes like that means fox jump like that. More times. Grapes are so high. The grapes are so high. I cannot to reach the grapes. Fox is talking. grapes are so high, I cannot to reach them. How I will catch? Fox is more times tried. Fox is not stopped, always jumped. If I jump more times means I will catch one or two. They thought it, they jump like that. Then fox get tried like that. Then I think that grapes are very sour. The fox only realized it. I think the grapes are very sour. Okay. Then more times the frogs jump na, become tired and they went another place. They go to another place. Okay. This is the fox and grapes lesson. This is the in this lesson new words and the rhyming words. Okay children, practice is all. Thank you everyone.